That was bad. Those are huge concussions. Big breaks. Beautiful. Some more to the left. Big one to the right. Big bulbous blows. All the while launching stuff to the left. Red stuff. Multiple angles. Short. Big crap falling down on the freeway. Must be nice. You don't have to clean that up. Come on, Sticks. Are you watching this? Alright, moving up a little bit. We're going to bail on the small stuff to the left. Oh, wait, no. Maybe not. That's the China fireworks there. That's the U.S. stuff. Here we go. Green, green. White to green. We don't have the money for that, buddy, but I want to see how they light the stuff off and make their show. Yeah, that's all low stuff. That's like the stuff we have at our house.
You want to get a chance at
see, okay, everything lit up green over there, just over the freeway wall. Oh, big dog, beautiful. White on the bottom, blue on the top. White on the right, blue on the left, green. I like that. That was nice. Holy crap. Still here, it's still screaming.
There's always more silence about that.
Red with a white explosion. Heart shape. Wow, heart shape. Wow. These guys know what they're doing.
Guess what?
Yeah, they know what they're doing, huh?
No, Dad, guess what?
So,
did you see the heart shape? There was 3 of them that went off on a row. One was on its side, but the other 2 were upright. Kind of tilted left and right.
Kind of fireworks. I mean, come on. We buy good stuff, but it's not going to be quite like this.
For July the 4th?
Unless you want to pay $5 grand.
Well, it's
money, honey.
You're right. I don't really. Oh, look at that. White streamers. Look at that. Yeah.
What's going on this way again, Dad?
Nice. Beautiful concussions. Well, that's lime green to pink. That is different. I haven't seen that. And all meanwhile, you have that. Oh, wow. White streamers. Trying to get rid of that stupid freeway light. It's a palm tree right in front of me, but streamers behind it. Nice. That's nice. Alright, I got a feeling this is going to continue on for a while. I'll be back in a minute.